Zabs back with another POV vlog. We're going out to Long Island again. Just fueled up. Oh yeah, look at those F5 tips. Let me give you a cold start right now. Let's see if it works. Come on, there you go. Super nice. Alright, let's get to it. Like I said, YouTube, what's up, man? We're going for another drive in the rain, same as last week. I don't know why it's been raining like crazy, but you know how it is. Whew. Going to Long Island. We got a little car reveal, you know. Me and my boy Adam, we've been planning this, or he's been planning this more like, but he's been doing a real good job, you know. So the reveal is for IDRIS. You already know he had the C63, but you know, we won't talk about too much about that, but he don't got that car anymore, and he's coming out with a new car tonight. So this is gonna be his you could say his reveal car, or his reveal day of his new car. So we about to pop out, surprise him, or he's about to surprise everyone else, because he didn't tell nobody what he got. So you already know, people gonna be surprised. I know what it is, but y'all gonna have to stay tuned. Wait till later to find out. Woo. God damn, them burbles sound so nice. Too bad it's raining. K-Band. Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean, it is late, 9:30-ish, so shouldn't be too much traffic. By the time we hit the highway, should be chilling, should be flying. But yeah, I'm about to go pick up my girlfriend, and from there we'll be out. Yeah, and this man, he drove all the way from what was it, Colorado, or not Colorado, Utah, Salt Lake City. So he drove 3 days, you know, just like I did. I drove from Arizona 34 hours straight with my girl, and we also stopped in TX2K, so that was a journey. But yeah, he just did the same thing. He came back yesterday, and he's been hiding the car pretty much. Obviously, he, you know, I did my little research. I have a feeling I know what it is, kind of in mind, you know. But yeah, we'll stay tuned. We're gonna see what he got today. This man Adam was hyping the situation up. He's like, oh, everyone should pop out, got a big car reveal for his car, you know. He was planning it good. He was like, yo, I got a car reveal, or a mod reveal, big mod reveal for my car. But you know, that's just a disguise for Idris's car. Which is pretty clever though, because Adam also got a couple mods waiting to be installed. Oh wait, he's letting me through. Let's go. Don't want to go too crazy. It's raining. Oh yeah. Nah, this car is amazing right now though. Ever since I did that exhaust, it's waking up the car a bit, and the tune definitely does help a lot. That stage 2 tune, 93. I definitely want to do a custom tune on 93, because I don't know, on OTS it feels like the car doesn't run as smooth as I think on 93 it would. I mean, on a custom tune it would. Custom tune definitely more optimized for your car, so you know. last time we were at the 7-Eleven, there was like mad cops over here. And that's when like Sean, he was in the trunk. Is he just there already?
I don't know. Red light camera ahead. They may possibly, because when he texted us like
yeah, that he was on the way.
He was on the way, so 100%. But the group chat hasn't said anything about his car, so I think.
Yeah. What? Yeah, last time they were at the Starbucks.
They still be going all the way in the basement?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
I see Div's car. Oh, yeah.
I don't think he just... I knew it was the green one! I fucking knew it!
Oh, yeah.
I knew it! I'm gonna be like, I found the car, but you already said you bought one, so.
There's mad people here, actually. I'm gonna park on the other side.
I'm gonna scream at him, be like, I fucking knew it!
Let me park all the way around.
Is that an M5?
Where? Oh no, that's Harry. That's 550.
Alright, just park like this.
Yeah, I'm not gonna correct. Sheesh. So yeah, guys, this is the car reveal. It's a G82 M4. We surprised everyone in the group. No one was expecting it. But yeah, I didn't record too much because everyone was talking between each other. Yeah, and after that, went home and I saw an empty parking lot that was usually closed. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Peace.